soap case. Today we're gonna show this boomerang. I found it off from Wish, and I'm going to try this. And this is sponsored by this boomerang. It's so good and it's so fun. And you can get it by answering the phone 6969 on Wish. So let's go to do it. And this is for Jojo Bobo Gaga. It's so good. So let's answer back to the video. No! This is dumb. We'll even sell it. This is trash. It should be banned from Wish, and it's so freaking stupid. I cannot say, but let's get to burning it. No one's burning it. Okay, so go one more. Let's burn one more time. No, it's burning the roof. No. Now we got this golf ball, and we're gonna review it. What can it do? Let's see. So it actually can do nothing. Think what? It's so good for your freaking brain. Now I'm not trying to bother you, but this is what, and you can do fresh on your brain. You can customize it. You can do whatever you want. Now, let's kind of freaking drink it. What a freak. Okay, let's go. No freak. Let's drink. What the heck? I'm gonna feel so whoa. Okay, so let's see what we got next. This was so bad. What? A snake? No, it's a thing. But let's see. We can do this to boom. So freaking boom. So what the freak? This is cool. Never mind. But this is you can prank people with it. Let's just prank. Oh, I found. Hello everybody, this is Michael. this is person. Let's throw it. It's a snake. It's a snake. It's a freaking snake. What the frick? Tony! Haha. Got freaking pranked. Stupid as freaking hole. I'm gonna kick your ass. This hurts so much. Fuck this shit. Okay, guys, so we all need to subscribe to your mind. Yeah, dog. You need to subscribe. So, y'all guys need to subscribe so we can get to freaking 20 freaking subscribers. Oh, there's a coffee. So let's continue. Oh, I finally found that freaking we wanted to search it. Now let's go with the freaking snake, and we're gonna do some trick. That's the mate. Okay. So. Don't tell me my dog barked because he saw a freaking stranger, and that's dangerous. So you need to subscribe. If someone's watching it, at least 3 people, all 3 people all need to subscribe. 2 people, 10,000 people, I don't know, 433, 32, 69. So, okay. Oh, is this a shovel? Oh, no. We cannot play with that. Okay. Some trick. I got some trick, bro. Everybody, this is some trick. Guys, it's trick. So y'all need to subscribe because subscribe. Look it, subscribe. So, okay. Alcohol, cocaine. So there's what is? We got Batman. So you guys need to freaking subscribe and or follow my Instagram. Okay, this is so freaking danger team. So I sleep. No. No. I never came back. Oh, good night. is playing with some random freaking man song, and then it got exploded, and now in 1 minute an atomic bomb is coming to Romania. So, okay, help me, and the tornado is coming in 5 seconds. Help! Freaking help! You are police. You can freaking solve everything. We cannot have everything. We cannot have the shut the fuck up. Stop that. We need to help. We need your help. Drink it. Help. 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 They said they're not coming, so I'm going to sue them. No, John. I'm going to sue you. Fuck you, stupid police. Let's get you there. And volcano's gonna explode. And that credit's coming in 5 minutes. I need some shelter. We need a tsunami's coming. I'm going to poop in 10 minutes. What should I freaking do? Police. Okay, I got them. The police sued because they couldn't do, because they were so freaking lazy and they cannot freaking help me. So I sued them. I freaking sued them. What should I freaking do? I freaking sued them. What's the problem? I freaking sued them. No, World War II is back. No. Okay, let's call an ambulance. No, what's your emergency? Let's call the an atomic bomb is coming in 2 minutes. So help me. Okay, I'm gonna put some water. Okay. What's the voice up? That's not water. It's okay. This is going wrong. Okay. What? I see an alien. What's wrong with this?